These are the vineyards. This is what Sula is famous for. We have not taken any tour or anything like that, but I'm just trying to navigate through this beautiful landscape. As you can see, colorful wine barrels and some very orderly plantation. And people are taking pictures over here. Beautiful countryside. I'm sure you'll be able to hear some jazz music that's playing in the restaurants above. Overall, creating a wonderful, wonderful mahal, as what we call it in Urdu. Beautiful.